Okay.
This is better now.
Two of those in my phone.
The Southern Governors Forum at its meeting today held in the Government House, Enugu State, reviewed the state of the nation and the progress of implementation of the decision reached in our previous meetings, and further resolved as follows. The meeting expressed satisfaction with the rate at which the states in the southern Nigeria are enacting or amending the anti-open grazing laws, which align with the uniform template and aspiration of southern governors, and encourage the states that are yet to enact the law to do so expeditiously. The meeting agreed to encourage the full operationalization of already agreed regional security outfit, which will meet, share intelligence, and collaborate to ensure the security and safety of the region. The meeting reaffirmed its earlier commitment to fiscal federalism as resolved at the inaugural meeting of the forum held on Tuesday, 11 May 2021 at Asaba, Delta State, and emphasized the need for the southern states to leverage the legislative competence of their respective state houses of assembly, as well as representation in the National Assembly, to pursue its inclusion in the Nigerian Constitution through the ongoing constitutional amendment. Following from paragraph 3 above, the meeting resolved to support the position that the collection of VAT falls within the powers of the states. 5. The meeting expressed satisfaction with the handling of issues around the PIA, Petroleum Industry Act, and ownership of NMPC by the larger Nigerian Governors Forum. The meeting reiterated its earlier position that the next president of Nigeria must come from the southern part of Nigeria in line with policies of equity, justice, and fairness. The forum thanked the host governor, Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi Gburugburu, and chose Rivers State as the next host for the Southern Governors Forum meeting in November 2021. Thank you all.